Hey everyone, I'm Devika and welcome to a new episode on our channel. So if you have seen the title, you'll already know what we're going to talk about, and if you are an English language learner, then this video is going to be very informative, very helpful to make you learn this language quickly and faster. So if you have followed our channel, we have this video where we speak about daily habits to improve English. So if you haven't watched that, you can find the link of it in the description box and also in the I button here. And those daily habits were something that you can inculcate and follow on a daily basis for the long run so that you keep developing and enhancing your English language knowledge. But those are habits that you perform on daily basis. Now, what do you do if you want to learn that language faster? So say there's a need to learn the language faster because you need to implement it right away. So how do you do that? So in today's video, I'll tell you that strategy that actually many English experts also recommend so that you can learn this language faster, and by faster I mean in a short duration. So as an English learner, you have already set your goal, and your goal is to learn the English language. Now, we all want to learn it fast. It's a very human mindset that if you want to achieve something, we want to achieve it at a very fast rate, and so is the case with learning English language as well. So if you're an English language learner, you want to learn the language very fast. So you set a goal, you set your goal that you want to learn this language. But the problem arises at the point where you don't know where to start or how to start. So you know your goal that you want to learn the language, but you're confused as to how you start. So I'll answer this question of yours as to how you can start, or to be precise, how you start, but also where you start. Okay, now we have the goal. Our goal is to learn the language, and the language is vast. So the goal also becomes huge and vast. And when we have a huge goal in front of us, we need a longer time. So if you want to learn English language thoroughly, say you are in the basic level, I want to reach the intermediate or the advanced level, you will need a lot of time. And by a lot of time, I mean several months or maybe several years, and only then you would be able to master it. But what happens to our goal of achieving this English language learning at a faster rate? Okay, we are unable to do it because we are confused as to where to start, and because the language is so vast, we'll need a lot of time. So coming to the answer to this question is to be able to not keep our goal so huge. We need to narrow it down, we need to limit it, we need to make it focused. Only when we limit our goal will be reduced, our goal is shortened, and so will the time also be shortened, That's because if you have a shorter goal, we can achieve it in a lesser time. So that's the idea of how you can achieve any goal. But coming to talking about learning English language faster, I will explain it to you through a scenario better. Okay, so for example, say you are somebody who has or you want to start a YouTube channel, say a cooking channel. Okay, you want to begin a YouTube cooking channel and you want to present or have the audio in English language. So say something like you want to showcase your recipes or your cooking styles, but you want to do the audio in English language instead of any other language. That could be because you want to reach out to a larger mass, or your target audience could be more of the English language speakers. So you want to have a video that is created in English language. But now say you're somebody who's not that well versed in the language. So you're not well versed with English language. So that comes as a hindrance, and that is limiting you from creating this YouTube channel and moving ahead. So what do? Your goal here is to learn the language. You want to learn the language so that you can start creating videos in English language. So if you set a goal that you want to learn the entire English language in a month or in a week, that could be quite difficult because English language is very vast. So here the idea is to identify your goal based on your needs. So here, if you are somebody who wants to begin a cooking channel and communicate with your audience in English language, so your goal here is to learn the language so that you can implement it right away and make use of it in your cooking shows or cooking episodes. So here your goal, instead of keeping it as learning the entire English language, you can limit your goal. Now coming to how you can limit your goal. So as I said, you need to learn the language so that you want to implement it to create your videos. So your goal should be learning the language in terms of cooking or in terms of your cooking show. So if you keep your goal limited in terms of learning the language specific to your need, then you would need a lesser time. Say for example, if you want to learn the phrases, the vocabulary or the sentences that are used by other chefs or other cooking channels, you can follow them, or you can read up more on cooking and recipes and ingredients and all of that, and you would get a hang of what kind of words, phrases, vocabulary, sentences are used. So if you say do that for a week, you will be repeatedly listening to and reading these kind of words and phrases, and that will be there in your mind. So that automatically happens when you are doing your video and you're doing your audio for the video. So you can easily bring out those words and terms and frame your sentences and shoot your video. So here we kept a limited goal. So initially, if you want to learn a language for a specific need, so keep the goal limited to learning the language for that need and implement it. And instead of keeping your goal large to learn the entire language, it will take you weeks and months and years to master it. So if you need to implement it for something specific, say in this case this person has to implement speaking in English for the video, then keep the goal limited, focus only on learning vocabulary, phrases and sentences that are used, and in particular for cooking. Say there'll be particular words that are used for recipes or ingredients or steps or the methods to cook something. So those phrases are limited. Okay, so you'll get the hang of it quickly and you'll be able to put it in a sentence easily. Now I'll give another scenario, another example to understand this concept of limiting your goal. So say you're somebody who has applied for a marketing job and you have been hired, and maybe you're going to go join the job next week. Okay, so you have this 1 week to prepare yourself for your new job. Now in the marketing department, you would need to market the products to prospective customers, and say your target customers speak English, or there's a high chance that you would need to market the products in English, and say you're somebody who's not that well versed with English. Okay, you're not confident about being able to market the products successfully using English language. So you struggle here, and you try to set a goal of being able to learn English within this duration of 1 week before you join the job. So do you think if you keep your goal something as large as learning entire business English within this 1 week would be sufficient, or would you be able to achieve this goal? No, it's quite difficult. Business language is again vast. So within 1 week, learning the entire business language will not be fruitful. So again, you need to limit your goal. So you know your job, you would be marketing products. So again, set your goal limited to learn vocabulary, phrases that revolves around the marketing field. So watch shows or watch how other marketers market products. So learn those phrases and vocabulary and how those sentences are formed. So over this 1 week, you can keep listening and watching or reading these kind of things so that you get a hang of the phrases, words and vocabulary that other marketers use to market products. So this way, once you're on board, you can make use of these phrases and vocabulary that you have learned right away into marketing your products. So since you set your goal limited of learning vocabulary and phrases that marketers use, you could learn the English language revolving around the marketing sector quickly. And once you're confident that you know ample phrases and vocabulary that are used by marketers, you can expand your goal. Again, don't expand it to learn the entire business language. Expand it slightly, maybe to learn the phrases and vocabulary that are commonly used by other departments in the company, say the tech related terms, or say terms that are used by the research and development team. So here you see you do expand your goal little by little. So once you have a limited goal, a focused goal, a narrowed down goal, you'll be able to learn English language faster, and you'll be clear about where you're starting from, or what your starting point is, because that's where most of us get confused. We know that we want to learn the language, but we do not know where to begin. So if you know your need, if you know where you need to implement the language use immediately, then keep that as your goal. Set your goal to learn the language revolving around your need, and once you have mastered that, once you know all the aspects connected to that goal, you can expand it, learn little by little. So that way you'll be able to learn the language faster, effectively, and you'll be able to remember all that you learn as well. And also if you have watched one of our previous videos where we spoke about that one trick to be able to learn English language faster, if you haven't, you'll find that in the I button again, and also in the description box. I recommend that watch that video also, because a collection of these habits, these strategies will make you an effective English language speaker. So the daily habits that I spoke about, along with the trick that I spoke about, and along with today's strategy, combining these three things will take you a long way in successfully completing this English language journey of yours. So I hope today's video was useful and you will implement this strategy to be able to pick up this language faster. So if you have liked any part of this video, do let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like if you found it informative, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you're always updated about all our upcoming videos. And I shall wrap up today's video here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do leave in the comment sections about your opinions about today's video and what I discussed. And I shall be up with another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.